So you've got your hair system, and now the big question is, should you install it and maintain it yourself, or should you rely on a professional? Let's break it down together. Going the DIY route has some major benefits. It's more affordable long-term since you're not paying for salon visits. You have complete privacy since you can manage everything at home. Once you learn this process, you can achieve your desired look at any time. But it also comes with challenges. There's a learning curve. It takes time and patience to get good at attachments and maintenance. Mistakes are common, especially in the beginning. Practice is essential to making the process feel natural. You'll need to invest in tools, supplies, and be prepared for some trial and error. On the other hand, professional services give you convenience and expertise right away. A stylist can attach, cut, and blend your hair system seamlessly. However, over time, the cost of frequent appointments can become expensive, and you may not feel comfortable being seen at a salon. Another key factor is your lifestyle. Do you play sports, swim, or live in a humid or hot climate? These can affect how often you'll need to maintain your system. Does your job require you to always look polished? If so, consider starting with professional attachments until you become more confident doing it yourself, or you can consider buying our ready-to-wear service. Or perhaps you prefer flexibility, being able to remove, clean, and reattach your system at your own convenience. Your lifestyle should guide your choice just as much as cost and convenience. And here's the most important part. If you choose DIY, remember that this is a skill you will need to develop. Your first attachment won't be 100% perfect, and hey, that's okay. Every attempt teaches you something new. As you practice, you'll become faster, cleaner, and more confident. So take a moment to reflect on your priorities: cost, privacy, lifestyle, and patience. Whether you stick with DIY, ready to wear, and/or mix some professional help, what matters most is finding what works best for you. In the next lesson, we'll guide you step by step to help you confidently attach your hair system at home. If you opt for having it done by a professional or ordering a ready-to-wear system, you can skip to the maintenance sections to learn how to reapply and care for your hair system.